Hi, I'm Mark Smith, Master Certified Technician with Lazydays RV. We're here today to talk to you about engine maintenance. Engine maintenance is a vital part of owning a motorhome. All of your maintenance values, mileages, intervals are all normally in a book, just like in your car. You have a maintenance book in your car. Motorhomes with engines in them come with a maintenance book for those also. Engine oil changes can be different from motorhome to motorhome, just like from car to car. Your gas motorhomes are going to be 3, 5, 7,000 miles. When you get into the bigger diesels, it could be 17 or even 20,000 miles. So when it comes to motorhomes, really don't push the mileage so much. It becomes an annual thing. We do it annually because you don't put that kind of mileage on, which means the motorhome sits around a lot. When that happens, you get moisture inside of the engine, which creates rust, which the next time you run the motor can get mixed in with the oil, and that can do internal damage. Also, fuel filters. Fuel filters is once a year. Again, because motorhome not being used, it grows algae in the fuel, they get stopped up. If you buy fuel from a small place that doesn't get a lot of turnover, you'll pick up algae from there. It gets caught in the fuel filters. And by the way, this is the #1 thing for breaking down on the side of the road is stopped up fuel filters. So I personally would carry some filters with you and make sure that's part of your annual maintenance. Next thing is your power steering fluid. Really not a lot of maintenance with that. There are some internal filters that you can have changed, but they're further down the road. Dipstick, check your fluid levels for your power steering. Antifreeze. This is a reservoir tank for your main radiator for your antifreeze. There's always a sight glass that you can see that you're at the proper level. Maintenance on this is a couple years down the road. A lot of them is like 150,000 miles. Level is key. Make sure you got the right amount of antifreeze in it, the right type, you're good to go. Air filters. Air filter on your coach on a diesel is inspection at 25,000 miles, replacement at 50,000 miles. So that tends to get further down the road again. But always go by your maintenance schedule in your book. Remember, if you have any questions on any of this or you need help, just give us a call at Lazydays RV.